The ocean, an immense and enigmatic expanse of water, stretches across the globe, connecting continents and shaping the very essence of our planet. It is a vast reservoir of life, a source of inspiration, and a testament to the incredible forces that govern our natural world. In this exploration of the ocean, we delve into its depths, unraveling the mysteries that lie beneath the surface, and appreciating the profound impact it has on both the environment and the human spirit. At first glance, the ocean appears as a seamless, boundless entity, but a closer inspection reveals a complex tapestry of ecosystems, each with its unique inhabitants and dynamics. The marine environment encompasses a staggering diversity of life, from microscopic plankton to colossal whales. The delicate balance of these ecosystems is a testament to the intricacies of nature, where every organism plays a crucial role in maintaining the equilibrium of the underwater world. Beneath the sunlit surface, where colors dance and coral reefs flourish, lies the mesopelagic zone. This twilight realm, extending to depths of 200 to 1,000 meters, is home to an array of mesmerizing creatures adapted to low light conditions. Bioluminescent organisms, such as lanternfish and jellyfish, create a dazzling display in the inky darkness, their radiant glow serving various purposes, from attracting prey to communication. As we descend further into the abyss, the midnight zone unfolds, plunging into darkness beyond 1,000 meters. Here, the pressure is crushing, and temperatures near freezing. Yet, life persists in the form of bizarre and otherworldly organisms. Deep-sea creatures, such as the anglerfish with its luminescent lure, challenge our understanding of adaptation and survival in extreme environments. The ocean's depths, once thought to be devoid of life, now reveal a thriving ecosystem, resilient and awe-inspiring in its existence. The ocean's influence extends far beyond its depths, shaping the climate and weather patterns that govern our planet. The interconnectedness of the ocean and the atmosphere is a delicate dance, with the ocean acting as a giant heat sink, absorbing and redistributing heat around the globe. Ocean currents, like the conveyor belts of the deep, circulate warm and cold water, regulating temperature and influencing weather patterns. In addition to its climatic impact, the ocean serves as a vital resource for sustenance and livelihoods. Fisheries, spanning from the bustling markets of coastal villages to industrial operations on the high seas, provide nourishment for billions of people worldwide. However, the delicate balance between exploitation and conservation is a constant challenge, as overfishing and pollution threaten the very source of sustenance the ocean provides. The ocean is also a treasure trove of untapped potential, harboring minerals, energy resources, and pharmaceutical compounds yet to be discovered. Deep-sea mining, a frontier fraught with ethical and environmental concerns, beckons humanity to balance the pursuit of progress with the preservation of the ocean's delicate ecosystems. Beyond its tangible contributions, the ocean possesses a captivating allure that has inspired artists, poets, and explorers throughout history. The rhythmic ebb and flow of the tides, the salty breeze that caresses the shore, and the boundless horizon stretching to infinity evoke a sense of wonder and contemplation. The ocean's vastness serves as a metaphor for the boundless possibilities that lie beyond the known, inviting us to explore, dream, and discover. However, alongside the ocean's majesty lies a pressing reality: the threats it faces from human activities. Climate change, plastic pollution, and habitat destruction cast dark shadows on the future of the ocean. Rising temperatures and ocean acidification jeopardize the very foundations of marine life, while plastic waste clogs waterways and endangers countless species. The call for conservation and sustainable practices reverberates globally, urging us to re-evaluate our relationship with the ocean and strive for a harmonious coexistence. In conclusion, the ocean stands as a testament to the wonders of our planet, a vast and dynamic force that shapes the very fabric of life on Earth. From its sunlit shallows to its mysterious depths, the ocean unfolds a narrative of resilience, adaptation, and interconnectedness. As stewards of this precious resource, it is our responsibility to safeguard the ocean's health and vitality for generations to come. Only through understanding, appreciation, and sustainable practices can we ensure that the ocean remains a source of inspiration, discovery, and life for the future.